Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, we will learn how to draw and insert THW flowcharts in the Microsoft Word. So, let's follow these steps. Alright. First of all, open your Word document. Then go to the Insert tab. Now click on the Smart Art. Here are the different categories. You can select according to your need and your requirements. Okay. Let's for example, I am going to choose this cycle matrix. Next. Click OK. Now, first of all, you can change color. Options are also available. From here, you can select any one of your colors according to your choice. I'm going to use this colorful design for my art. OK. Now, simply insert or paste your text here. The text will adjust automatically. There is no need to organize or adjust your text manually. You can add details over here. You can adjust font style, font size, and other text setting as well. So, in this way, you can make the flowcharts in Ms. Word very quickly and very effectively. I hope this video will help you in making flowcharts in minutes. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.